As a production manager, it's your job to keep production lines running, products moving, and quality levels high. So why are your printers working in silos? Does your factory look something like this? Coders and printers running on different software, operators interacting with each coder individually, printers not in communication with any other business system. It's inefficient and error-prone. It's resource-intensive and a training challenge. And coding has no support from wider production planning. Introducing Think Integration with Domino Quick Design Production Plus. Production Plus enables coding and business planning systems to work together, creating simple, error-free, streamlined operations. Central data from ERP immediately available on your production line. Think Integration is about maximizing the capability of your current production line with a simple hardware setup. Simply link the coders via a network to a production server and enable access to other business systems such as ERP. You can also link to office computers and factory touchscreens, meaning they're now on the same network and can communicate. The software setup is just as simple. First, we install Domino Quick Design Production Plus software onto your production server. This is where a central database is created which houses all configuration for the system. This central point controls all coder activities for the site. The server is linked to your ERP system and to your printers. Domino's label editor is installed onto your office computers. This allows messages and label templates to be created and stored on the server. The Domino label editor is a standard label editor for all printer technologies. Domino's Operator Pro software is installed onto the factory touchscreens. This means operators can now send messages and labels to the production line at the click of a button. Templates are stored in one central location, which means greater control and accuracy, reducing the need for intervention on the factory floor. We can scale this model to work in factories of all sizes with any number of production lines. Here's how Think Integration can work for you. Your office team create orders in your ERP system. When they release the orders, the details are sent to Quick Design on the server, ready for use. Your operator on the factory floor, using the touchscreen terminal, can retrieve the job from the server. The operator checks the labels for accuracy and hits Confirm. Once the job is confirmed, the server sends the data to each printer on the production line. In our fully integrated system, pallets can be scanned and information entered back into the ERP system to track job process into the warehouse. If you want efficient production lines, systems working together, and error-free streamlined operations, think integration. Think quick design. Think Domino.